Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. For Wednesday the 19th of February, we're going to be looking at the final chart, which is now gold. Now, we've been on this big run higher on the gold chart for the past couple of weeks now, but slight signs of a consolidation or even a bit of profit taking on this chart. We saw yesterday a correction back from the 1332.10 high to close below the previous day's high, so that would suggest a slight slowing of this move higher. Had an outside day as well, where the low of the day was below the previous day's low, but the high of the day was above the previous day's high, which suggests a bit of an increase in potential for profit taking, I think, in this chart. On the intraday level, I think it becomes a little bit more consolidatory. I think what you're seeing here is just a shift sideways. Nothing major going on yet in this chart. You can actually draw in on this chart an uptrend, and you're pretty much still holding on to that uptrend on this now. So this is on the hourly chart. So until that begins to break that uptrend there, and probably you'd be looking for a move below the $1,312 $34 mark. I think unless you see a break below there, you're going to be just consolidating sideways for the time being. The momentum indicators are, fairly neutral. The MACD, you could argue, is in slightly negative territory, but nothing overly bearish, and the RSI is also fairly neutral as well. So what you'd be looking for is a break of the support either at $1,312.34 or back above the overnight high at $1324.90. As I said, this is fairly consolidatory. This rising 55-hour moving average, which is now flattened off, the 21-hour moving average is also flattened off as well. So you're not really getting a lot of direction either way on the intraday chart, but certainly there is the capacity here for a nice correction. I still believe that anything back towards that 1300 mark, I think, should be used as probably a buying opportunity now on this chart. I think that is a decent level to be watching out for. I think on the medium term basis, I think with this 144-day moving average now at 1292, certainly camping above there, I think that would be suggesting that any sort of correction with a buy signal would be a decent entry point around 1300. As I think this chart will be pushing towards that 1350 target from the base pattern that we've got going on, and with moving averages now turning higher, I think this is still an improving chart. Anyway, that's gold, and I wish you good luck with your trading today, whatever you're doing, and I will speak to you tomorrow.